Meaning of deistic.
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 Deistic. The term deistic refers to a belief in God as a creator who does not intervene in the world. This concept emerged during the Enlightenment as a reaction against traditional religious dogma and superstition. Deism holds that God created the universe according to rational laws and then left it to operate independently. This worldview emphasizes reason, observation, and personal liberty, and often rejects organized religion and supernaturalism. Deists may still engage in spiritual practices or seek moral guidance from their belief in a higher power, but they do not follow specific doctrines or receive divine revelations.